Welcome to the top picks. The best Dissolve all-purpose cleaner is probably one of the most versatile cleaning solutions you can add to your arsenal, tackling everything from stubborn kitchen grease and bathroom grime to everyday spills and smudges on various surfaces, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining a spotless home with minimal effort and maximum effectiveness. Number 5. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500G. Introducing the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste, your ultimate multi-purpose cleaning solution. It's designed to tackle tough messes with ease. Perfect for your kitchen, bathroom, tiles, glass, and shower. This versatile cleaner handles it all. Effortlessly remove grease, grime, and stubborn stains from surfaces like ovens and sinks. It leaves them sparkling clean. Achieve a brilliant shine on stainless steel and other surfaces. It restores the original gleam without harsh scrubbing. Experience the power of this multi-purpose cleaner. It's tough on dirt but gentle on your home surfaces. Get a generous 500G of our effective cleaning paste. It's the go-to solution for a spotless home. What we like? This cleaner comes in a paste form, making it incredibly effective at tackling stubborn grime and baked-on messes. If you're dealing with tough kitchen grease or bathroom soap scum, this is the product for you. It's ideal for those who need a heavy-duty solution for challenging cleaning tasks. What people say. This cleaner is a game-changer for tackling tough grease and grime. It effectively dissolves baked-on food without excessive scrubbing. The spray nozzle provides a fine, even mist for optimal coverage. Number 4. Better Life All-Purpose Cleaner. Introducing a revolutionary cleaner that harnesses the power of plants. It's designed to tackle messes throughout your home, from the kitchen to the living room. Achieve a brilliant shine on all your surfaces. This formula is tough on grime but gentle on your home, leaving behind a fresh, natural scent. Effortlessly clean glass, countertops, appliances, and even upholstery. Its multi-surface capability makes it your go-to solution for any cleaning challenge. Experience the refreshing aroma of clary sage and citrus as you clean. This delightful scent transforms your cleaning routine into a more pleasant experience. Get more cleaning power with our convenient 24-ounce bottle. It provides ample product for all your household needs, ensuring you're always ready to clean. Choose a cleaner that aligns with your values. It offers effective cleaning without harsh chemicals, so you can maintain a healthy home environment. What we like? This cleaner offers a plant-based formula with a pleasant scent, making it a great choice for everyday cleaning. If you prefer natural ingredients and a fresh aroma in your home, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for those who want an effective yet gentle cleaner for various surfaces. What people say. This cleaner is a game-changer for tackling tough grease and grime. It cuts through baked-on food with minimal scrubbing, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. I was impressed by how quickly it dissolved soap scum in my shower. A quick spray and wipe was all it took to restore the shine. The scent is surprisingly pleasant, not overpowering like some other cleaners. It leaves a fresh, clean smell without any chemical odor. Number 3. Tirtyl Multi-Surface Cleaner Refills, 12-pack. Tired of harsh chemicals and endless plastic waste? Discover a smarter, more sustainable way to keep your home sparkling clean. Our innovative tablets dissolve in water to create a powerful, all-purpose cleaner. It's effective on multiple surfaces without compromising your health or the environment. Simply drop one tablet into your reusable spray bottle, add water, and watch it transform. You'll have a fresh, 16 fluid ounces bottle ready in no time. Enjoy a refreshing and invigorating scent as you clean. This delightful fragrance leaves your home smelling naturally fresh and inviting. This 12-pack provides enough refills to make 12 bottles of cleaner, totaling 192 fluid ounces. It's an economical and eco-conscious choice for your household needs. Our non-toxic formula ensures a safe cleaning experience for your family and pets. Achieve a brilliant clean without worrying about harmful residues. What we like? This product provides an eco-friendly and space-saving cleaning solution with its concentrated refill tablets. If you're looking to reduce plastic waste and enjoy a convenient, effective cleaner, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for the environmentally conscious consumer who wants a powerful cleaner without the bulk. What people say. This cleaner is a game-changer for tackling tough grease and grime. It cuts through baked-on food with minimal scrubbing, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. I love how versatile this cleaner is. It works wonders on my countertops, stovetop, and even in the oven. The fresh scent is a bonus, not overpowering at all. The spray nozzle on this bottle is excellent. It provides a fine, even mist that covers surfaces thoroughly without dripping or wasting product. Number 2. Spitfire CBD 540045 Professional All-Purpose Liquid Power Cleaner. Tackle tough messes with this powerful all-purpose cleaner. It's specially formulated to dissolve and lift grease, grime, ink, and even stubborn adhesives. You can trust it to handle even the most challenging cleaning tasks. This heavy-duty degreaser is designed to cut through tough dirt and soils. It effectively removes resins, paint, oil, ink, gum, and more without leaving any residue behind. Get a deep clean every time. You can use this versatile cleaner on a wide variety of surfaces. It's perfect for counters, walls, appliances, floors, and even concrete. It deep cleans most hard surfaces, making it ideal for kitchens, garages, and bathrooms. Enjoy a fresh pine scent as it cleans. This cleaner deodorizes while it dissolves grease, oils, and food stains. It leaves your surfaces spotless and smelling great. This cleaner is perfect for various commercial settings like kitchens, schools, and offices. It's also great for automotive use, car detailing, and removing sticky resins. It works fast on tough dirt and soils. What we like? This is a powerful, heavy-duty cleaner designed to cut through the toughest grease, oil, and even ink or paint. If you have industrial-level messes or need to tackle sticky resins and adhesives, this is your go-to solution. It's perfect for garages, workshops, or commercial kitchens where heavy-duty cleaning is a must. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough stains and grime. It has a pleasant, fresh scent that isn't overpowering. The spray nozzle provides an even and consistent application. Number 1. FLOWCHEER Multi-Surface Cleaner Refills, 12-pack Lavender. Introducing our multi-surface cleaner refills. Enjoy a powerful clean that leaves your home smelling fresh with a calming lavender scent. Each tablet is designed to make a full bottle of all-purpose cleaning spray. Simply drop one in water and watch it dissolve. Reduce plastic waste with these convenient refills. You get 12 tablets, making up to 192 fluid ounces of cleaner, for a cost-effective solution. From kitchen counters to bathroom tiles, this cleaner tackles dirt and grime effectively. It's your go-to for a sparkling home. Experience the delightful and natural fragrance of lavender with every spray. It transforms your cleaning routine into a more pleasant experience. No more bulky bottles. Just add water to your reusable spray bottle, drop in a tablet, and you're ready to clean. What we like? This offers a cost-effective and convenient way to get a large volume of multi-surface cleaner from simple tablets. If you want to make many bottles of cleaner and appreciate a lovely lavender scent, this is a great pick. It's suitable for households that use a lot of cleaner and prefer a budget-friendly, easy-to-store option. What people say. This cleaner is a game-changer for tackling tough grease and grime. I was impressed by how quickly it dissolved baked-on food from my oven. The spray nozzle provides an even mist, making application effortless. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.